Hi guys, I wanted to give a little update about my Slide Trike. So I made a new version. This time it's made for to accept a Yokomo front end and not a Sakura front end anymore. The rest is more or less the same, but let's go over the details together. So this is what it looks like in finished version. Bottom. Look, very nicely made carbon fiber chassis, very nicely made rear swing arm, just like the other one. This time, this Sakura part will be included in the kit. That's where your battery sits, of course, just like in the other one, like so. And this one also comes with an upgraded bearing carrier, let's say, for the spur gear. No more shimming needed here. So this is a custom made part. I fitted a Shark front end on mine, as you can see, with the IFS here. But you can also fit different Yokomo front ends. So the whole pattern now in this chassis is made for Yokomo YD2S. I've also already sourced this part where you need to attach your damper onto, because probably if you are going to buy this kit for the Yokomo, you will not have a Sakura, and so you will not have this part and you will not have this part. So I decided to include them already. So basically what you need to build yours is a Yokomo front end, shocks, electronics of course, and this kit, and then you would be able to just build up this trike pretty easily. So here's what the new kit will look like. So this is the Yokomo based version. Comes with some stickers, front wing, rear wing, clear body shell, just like the other one, and this whole carbon fiber and aluminum chassis kit. Right, to accept, with the whole pattern, to accept YD2S front, or in my case I just put a Shark front end on it. As you see, already has this, already has also this, so basically would be very easy for you to buy this kit and just fit a front end of a Yokomo on it, place your shock here, put your electronics, place your battery, put a wheel on, and you are good to go.